Hi there, and welcome to another Nature Pet training video. Today, we are going to cover urinary care, hairball care, lung care, and Be Calm. These are our top remedies for common pet ailments. So the first product we're going to talk about today is urinary care. Now, this supports healing from urinary tract infections and supports kidney health. It's naturally diuretic, so it's going to help flush bacteria, toxins, uric acid, and other wastes. By flushing this bacteria causing the infection, it's going to soothe discomfort, inflammation, and help with bleeding as a result of the infection. It also contains soothing herbs to relieve discomfort and irritation associated with an UTI. And it's also going to help with kidneys. It's going to flush that uric acid that can cause gravel and kidney stones. So great when used preventatively to reduce the risk of reoccurrence. If your pet has had UTIs before or is prone to kidney problems, it's going to just help to flush that bacteria, toxins, uric acid that can lead to issues down the road. So this product contains dandelion root, which is a potassium sparing diuretic, so it's not going to cause a deficiency in potassium that could result in overstimulation of the kidneys, and it's going to help flush the urinary tract. Wild carrot works by breaking down urinary gravel that can come together and form stones or crystals in the bladder. Then we have echinacea. This is going to help with the bacteria causing the UTI, and it's also a powerful immune modulator. So it's going to support the immune system so it can heal naturally like it's meant to. Marshmallow is a very soothing herb for soft tissues, so it's going to help with that inflammation, irritation, and discomfort. And ginger similarly is going to soothe that irritation. It's also going to help circulate the other herbs in the compound because of its stimulating effects. So it's going to get those throughout the body, get them where they need to so they can work to heal your pet. And it's also great to support the bacterial aspect of the infection. Couch grass is another gentle diuretic, and it's really useful in instances when there's intense burning, and it can also help ease the passing of kidney stones. We also have boswellia, which has mucilage to soothe the irritated tissues, and it's also going to support the immune health. So that way your body can fight the infection the way it's supposed to. Corn silk helps to strengthen and tone the urinary tract tissues, so it's also going to provide some soothing diuretic effects, and it's really helpful for irritation and inflammation. Horsetail also helps to remove that uric acid buildup and promotes renal function. So renal function just essentially means the way we look at the function of the kidneys, making sure that they are healthy and working the way they are supposed to. Next product we have to talk about today is Hairball Care. So Hairball Care is going to support the breaking down of the hair. It's going to stimulate appetite and strong digestion. It's going to do this by cleansing the kidneys and the liver and the gallbladder, and that stimulates those digestive enzymes and things that will help to improve and strengthen the digestive processes. It's also going to loosen those hairballs because hairballs become a problem when they clump and they form those balls, and that makes them hard to pass. But if we keep them loose, passing a few hairs at a time isn't such an issue. It's also going to relieve the stomach aches that your pet gets with hairballs. It can't be fun having a big ball of hair in your stomach. So it's going to help with that aspect. And it's also helpful if your pet gets into something they shouldn't, if they've accidentally gotten into something off the counter. Giving some hairball care to them is going to help that thing pass naturally through their system and make it a little less uncomfortable for them. What's different about this product compared to standard hairball remedies? So most of those hairball remedies out there are going to contain petroleum or mineral products. Now, these aren't things that are supposed to be digested because they coat the digestive tract and they flatten the villi, which inhibits the absorption of nutrients such as vitamin A, E, and D, and that can be really problematic, leading to other health concerns. Our product instead is going to support your pet's digestion so that they can naturally break down and pass and loosen these hairballs for them. It's great for cats and dogs, so something many pet owners don't know is that dogs can actually get hairballs too, since they do lick and groom themselves, so great for cats and dogs. So this product contains licorice. Licorice is going to soothe and protect irritated tissues lining the digestive tract, and it's going to help them to have nice regular bowel movements. Cascara gently stimulates muscle contraction in the digestive tract, so that's going to help those bowel movements moving right along smoothly. We have dandelion, so this is a nice balancing diuretic, and that's going to help cleanse the blood in the liver. By doing that, it's going to help increase bile production and allow for more efficient breakdown of foods. Ginger is here to promote the secretion of digested acids and enzymes, and it's also going to help soothe indigestion and break down gas that causes bloating and discomfort. Gentian root is an excellent bitter, so bitters help with the digestive process, and that's going to stimulate digestion, appetite, and those other juices and enzymes. Slippery elm is a soothing herb, and that's going to help coat the lining of the digestive tract, and it's going to do this in a way that actually increases the absorption of nutrients and allows things to pass more smoothly. And then we've added some extra mucilage in here to help regulate bowel function to balance diarrhea or constipation. And next we're going to talk about lung care. So lung care is going to soothe your pet's respiratory system. It's going to calm the bronchial spasms that cause spasmodic or dry coughs. It's going to also help with really all things respiratory, whether it's an infection, virus, environmental pollutants, allergens, smoke, or even asthma. It's also going to support your pet's immune system so that way they're better prepared to fight whatever is causing the respiratory issue in the first place. Now, this is the case when it comes to both acute and chronic respiratory conditions, and we highly recommend using it in instances where maybe your dog's going to the kennel and you want to prevent kennel cough. It's great to take this ahead of time. Or say there are some forest fires in your area. It doesn't hurt to give it to them before you see symptoms, because even if they're not showing symptoms yet, it's still going to be affecting them. So we want to get this in them so that it can help prevent those issues that are going to accompany smoke, dust, kennel, cough, etc. The expectorant properties in this product are also going to help when it comes to mucus or other material in the lungs. It's going to help them cough that up and clear those lungs so that they can breathe better. So in this product, we have horseradish. Horseradish is an expectorant that increases bronchial secretion, and it's going to improve mucus expulsion in the lungs. It's also going to act as a nasal dilator and a bronchial dilator, so it's going to open things up and allow more oxygen to be absorbed into the lungs. Water hyssop is going to soothe mild to moderate irritation of the respiratory tract, and it similarly has mild expectorant action, so coughing up those nasties in the respiratory tract to clear things out. These properties make it great when it comes to wet cough as well as asthma or dry cough. Anise seed contains antispasmodic properties, and so this is great when it comes to those spastic coughs or that dry cough. Irish moss is going to nourish and strengthen the respiratory function by boosting the immune system. So, whatever's going on in those lungs, often the immune system is there to fight that. So we're going to support the immune system, and it's also going to provide some soothing effects. Mullein is a really well-known expectorant, so this is going to help the body remove that mucus. It's also great for bronchitis, cough, chest colds, and asthma. And then lungwort helps to thin out mucus and get it out of those lungs, and it's also going to have some soothing effects for inflammation. When we're coughing a lot or our pets are coughing a lot, irritation and inflammation tends to occur. So this is going to help bring that down and soothe the area. And lastly, the product we're going to talk about is Be Calm. This product is really great for calming stressed, anxious, or overstimulated pets. It's going to help for separation stress or travel anxiety or other stressful experiences. We highly recommend this product if you are looking at adopting a rescue or a shelter animal, because they're going through a lot of stress. So this is going to help to restore the nervous system and ease stress and the exhaustion that comes with that. It contains adaptogens, so those are going to help the body to adapt to stress, and it's going to combat the health impacts of stress as well. It's going to reduce tension, relax the muscles and the nerves. So this is great when it comes to pets who are stressed out due to pain. If they've just gone through surgery or an injury or sickness, it's going to help calm them down so that they don't feel so overwhelmed by the pain. It also contains some natural but gentle sedative properties. So your pet's going to feel relaxed, but they're not going to be heavily sedated and out of it. Just a nice gentle sedation where they can still feel alert. They can still go about the house and whatnot. In this product, we have ashwagandha, which is a wonderful adaptogen. It's going to help strengthen the body against stress and illness, help your pet recover faster from illness, and regulate stress hormones. So bringing those back into balance results in a calmer pet. They can sleep better, and they're going to recover better. Valerian root is a natural yet gentle sedative, and it's considered a nervine tonic. So this means it's going to tonify nerves, reduce nervous tension or overexcitable states, calming the central nervous system. Horsetail contains compounds that have been shown to be as effective at reducing anxiety as diazepam, and this was in animal studies. So they were showing it had less of a sedative effect, but they still felt really calm, really relaxed, yet had some alertness. So we love that combination. Black cohosh has really a lot of interesting uses, and in this formula, we're using it as an antispasmodic and analgesic. So it's going to relax muscles and nerves, blood pressure, and produce those calming effects to the body. Passion flower, it's here to relax muscles and mind. So it's going to lower the blood pressure, naturally promote sleep, really restful states, and help your pet to feel calm and at peace. So in summary, quick recap, urinary care, it's going to support recovery from UTIs and support healthy kidneys. Hairball care is a great remedy for both dogs and cats. It's going to help to strengthen their digestive processes and is great for hairballs, but also if your pet gets into something that they shouldn't have, it's going to help them pass that safely. Lung care is a go-to for all respiratory needs, whether it's chronic or acute, whether it's from a bacteria, a virus, or asthma or allergens. And then Be Calm is amazing for calming stressed pets, whether it's going to the vet, separation anxiety, a shelter dog, or maybe there's a new pet or a new kid in the house and they're feeling overwhelmed. So that's it for now. We will have another video coming to you soon. Have a great one. Thanks for watching.